Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you how to make a delicious and authentic Vietnamese chicken salad. This dish combines tender shredded chicken with fresh onions, Vietnamese coriander, carrots, and a tangy, spicy sweet dressing. It's a vibrant dish often found at Vietnamese gatherings, celebrations, and family meals, thanks to its fantastic flavors and beautiful colors. The ingredients for 4 servings will be displayed on the screen, and you can find some of the special ingredients at your local Asian grocery store. To start, we're going to clean and deodorize the chicken using coarse salt and some ginger-infused rice wine. After thoroughly rinsing, let the chicken drain before steaming or boiling it. Next, fill a pot with water, about halfway up the steamer insert. Add in the crushed lemongrass stalks and ginger pieces, then bring it to a boil. While we're waiting for the water to boil, here's an optional step. This is chicken fat I rendered earlier, mixed with a bit of turmeric and ginger powder. I'll brush this over the chicken skin to give it a nice golden color and a glossy finish. Once the water's boiling, place the chicken in the steamer. Cover and cook on medium-high heat. For half a chicken weighing around 600 grams, steam for about 13 minutes. After 13 minutes, our chicken is perfectly cooked, moist, tender, and beautifully golden. Now, I'll turn off the heat, cover it, and let it rest for another 5 minutes in the pot to retain its juiciness. Then, transfer it to a plate, let it cool, and we'll shred it in a bit. While the chicken is cooling, let's prep the other ingredients. Peel and thinly slice the onions into about 0.5 to 0.7 centimeter slices. To reduce their sharpness, I'll soak them in ice-cold water, which also makes them crispier. Whenever I slice the onions, I place them directly into an ice water bowl. I'm using both white and red onions here for a pop of color. Next, slice the shallots thinly, then soak them with the onions. Do the same with the carrots. Slice into thin matchsticks and let them soak. After 10 to 15 minutes, drain and rinse the onions, shallots, and carrots in clean water, then set them aside to dry. Now, slice half of the mild chili peppers into diagonal pieces and the other half into thin strips. These mild chilies add a slight kick and a bright color. Thinly slice the lime leaves. Adding these to the chicken salad will bring a lovely fresh aroma. As for the Vietnamese coriander, give it a rough chop after washing it in salt water. Finally, take the roasted peanuts, remove the skins, and crush them coarsely to add a crunchy texture to the salad. Now, let's make the dressing, which is the heart of this salad. In a mortar, add 2 garlic cloves, 1 spicy red chili, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, about 15 grams. Add 1½ tablespoons of sugar and crush them into a paste. Transfer the mixture to a bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Stir everything together until the sugar dissolves. This dressing has a perfect balance of sour, spicy, salty, and sweet flavors with a hint of tang. Now that the chicken has cooled, I'll shred it into bite-sized pieces. Don't shred it too finely to avoid dryness. Any larger pieces with skin can be sliced for a more visually appealing look. Once shredded, add in the sliced lime leaves, a pinch of ground pepper, and a spoonful of dressing. Toss gently to let the chicken absorb these flavors. Next, drizzle half of the remaining dressing over the bowl of onions and carrots. Toss gently to coat and then discard any excess liquid. Now add the chicken to the bowl along with the chopped Vietnamese coriander, sliced mild chili, and most of the crushed peanuts. Pour in the remaining dressing and mix everything together gently so all the ingredients are evenly seasoned. Once done, transfer to a serving plate and sprinkle with the rest of the peanuts. And there you have it, Vietnamese chicken salad with onions and Vietnamese coriander. Colorful, refreshing, and packed with flavor. The tender chicken, crispy onions and carrots, and fragrant coriander, all with a bit of a spicy kick, make this salad truly special. In Vietnam, we have many variations of this dish using other ingredients, like mangosteen, cabbage, lotus stem, or banana blossom, each one equally delicious. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. See you next time.